In this video, you'll learn how to start Google Meet video meetings directly from Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to launch a meeting quickly without having to open any extra tabs or apps. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for the meeting. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right inbox before you go any further, because the meeting link will be tied to that account. Once Gmail finishes loading, take a moment to look at the layout. Depending on your settings or Google's latest design updates, the Meet section can appear in a couple of different places. Often you'll find it on the left-hand side of the screen near your inbox and label list, or along the side panel with icons for Mail, Chat, Spaces, and Meet. If you don't immediately see Meet, look for the word Meet or the camera icon, or check the side panel for a Meet button you can click. If the Meet section still isn't visible, it may be minimized or turned off in your settings. In that case, you can open the quick settings menu in Gmail and make sure that the integrated view with Meet is enabled. Once Meet is visible, you're ready to start. Now in the Meet section, look for the option labeled New Meeting. This is your starting point for creating a fresh Google Meet session. Go ahead and click New Meeting. When you do this, Gmail will generate a brand new meeting space for you. After you click New Meeting, you'll usually see options such as starting an instant meeting, creating a meeting for later, or scheduling it in Google Calendar. For a quick call that you want to begin right away, choose the option to start the meeting now or instant meeting, depending on the exact wording you see. This will immediately create a meet room and open it in a new window or tab. At this point, you've essentially started the meeting, but before you join, it's a good idea to check your camera and microphone. On the preview screen, you'll see controls to mute your mic, turn your camera on or off, and choose your audio and video devices. Make sure the correct microphone and speakers are selected, and adjust your camera if needed so you're framed clearly. If you don't want to appear on video, you can keep the camera turned off and just use audio. When everything looks good, click the button to join the meeting. Once you're inside, you'll see the meeting link at the top or in the participant panel. You can copy this link and share it with anyone you want to invite by pasting it into an email, chat message, or calendar invite. Participants only need this link to join your meeting. From here, you can use the regular Google Meet controls to manage your session, mute or unmute yourself, turn your camera on or off, present your screen, and manage participants. But the key part is done. You opened Gmail, went to the Meet section, clicked New Meeting, and started your meeting right away. That's all it takes to quickly launch a Google Meet video meeting from inside Gmail, saving you time and keeping everything in one familiar place.